What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Radical Marketer YouTube channel, where we talk about how to leverage credit, how to leverage social media, and how to make money online. So if that interests you, smash that like button, punch that subscribe button. I make videos daily and you do not want to miss it. If you're first time on the channel, welcome. I promise to give you stuff and no fluff. These are very conversational videos. We do a lot of reviews. We do a lot of data points. We do a lot of strategizing. It's a very different type of YouTube channel. No crazy transitions. It's just all stuff and no fluff. So go ahead and smash that subscribe button so you never miss a beat. And then drop a comment of a question or experience that you've had and get to the conversation with us. We would love to enjoy you and bring you into the fold here at the Radical Marketer community. And for all of you subscribers, radical marketers, amazing people out there, thank you so much for growing the channel and for helping people with their data points, their credit questions. It's so cool seeing you guys all interact and get to know each other and just help us all grow in credit and learn and equal the playing field. So I appreciate all of you guys out there. Salute. All right, guys, let's get into it. Today we're going to talk about, I'm going to do an MLIFE credit card review. This is the MLIFE Rewards credit card. It's a World Mastercard. It's underwritten by First Bank Card, FNBO, okay? And it's probably the best gambling credit card. So if you guys like rolling the dice and you guys like coming to Vegas, this card is going to be a must-have kind of card, because it's going to give you a lot of benefits and privileges that we're going to go over in this card, okay? So it's going to be a little bit of a different review. This is not going to be for everybody, but for people that like to travel and people that like to come gamble, this will be the kind of card for them. All right, guys, let's jump into it. So, put my glasses on. Welcome to the MLIFE Rewards Mastercard. Let's talk about it. The Mandalay Bay, the Aria, the Luxor, the MGM Grand, the Bellagio, man, I'm missing it. The Mirage. These are all MGM properties, okay? The one with the fountains that you see in all the videos, that's an MGM property, okay? It's a great card. The starting limit on this card is $15,000. They're not so worried about new inquiries or new accounts, because I had a lot of them when I applied for it. But the minimum credit line is a $15,000 credit line. Here's another caveat. If you cancel this card, you can never get it again. So if you get it, don't cancel it, because you can never get it again. And they will close the card down for inactivity. So make sure you put some type of spend on it randomly, so that way this card doesn't get shut down. But it is an amazing credit card, okay? You're going to get a lot of different benefits with your MLIFE status. This is all random stuff right there. Tier credits. So tier is how you're going to be able to move up from the status with MGM. For somebody that doesn't know this status thing, status is important because it helps you have more benefits when you travel for free. So you could get discounted rooms, you could get late checkouts, you could get free parking, you could get free vouchers. You could then take your status and go to a place like Caesars or Wyndham and say, hey, I have a status with MGM. Would you match it if I do your company? And most of the time that they do. I have an entire video for travel hacks. Check out that playlist as well. And check out all the credit card reviews and all that. But basically, the tiers are there. The Pearl status is key, because the Pearl status is going to give you free parking when you arrive, and then also priority check-in, which is nice, so you don't have to stand in the long lines. Now, let's jump into the statuses, okay? So when you go to apply, like let's say you're in Vegas or you're in Atlantic City or wherever an MGM property's at, right? You can actually check out your region, right? So you got Detroit, you got out there in Maryland, some of these places I don't know where they're at, but basically they have properties all over the country. Most of them are in Las Vegas or the East Coast in the National Harbor. But when you go in and you want to get a tier card, the first one is going to be the Sapphire card, and it won't graduate to the Pearl card, which you'll automatically get Pearl status when you get this MGM credit card until 25,000 tier credits. And it can get pricey to get here, but here's the big thing, right? So the things that this has, you get express comps, right? With the Pearl, you get an invitation to members only events and tournaments and promotions. So if you're playing cards and all that stuff, this card's a must if you gamble. Okay, it's probably the best gambling credit card on the market. I'll put these links in the description too, so you guys can look at that at your own leisure. But then you'll also see bonus on earned playing slots, right? So you get all the way to Norier and you're like 40%, right? So you can maximize your gamble, right? They obviously you gotta spend to get that VIP check-ins, things like that. But you go all the way down here, dedicated line at the buffet. That's cool. You don't have to wait extra long for that. You're also going to get the complimentary self-parking. So you can park anywhere in Vegas you want, not pay for parking as long as it's an MGM property. And they're spread all over the strip too. So it's an easy way to save yourself $30 a night. If you're going to be staying at an MGM property, you should get this card because you'll literally pay for the room, you'll pay for the resort fee, and then you'll pay for parking. And parking can be $30 to $40 a day. So if you take 7 times 30, that's $210 that you could be saving automatically with this credit card. If you're coming to Vegas, you're coming to gamble, get this credit card. And there's no annual fee on this credit card either. So that's a nice thing. So yeah, like I said, you can drop down that. Like I said, this card is going to be not for everybody. It's going to be for those that want to gamble, want to come out to Vegas. Now, the cool thing is once you're, you can actually take your status with Pearl and match it into Hyatt. And you can actually match it into Wyndham. You can match it into Best Western. So this is a great card, a no annual fee card. You're going to get a $15,000 limit. You get free parking in Vegas, a dedicated line at the buffet, and then you're also going to get priority check-in when you check in. So you're going to be having a much better vacation. You're going to be spending a lot less in money, and then the money that you do gamble with, you'll get a kickback where you can still have some fun with. So I recommend this card, and then like I said, you get the status as well. Let me know in the description what your favorite travel card is, what your favorite card is to gamble, what questions that you may have about it. I also have an entire playlist of credit card reviews. So I'm going to be doing reviews on every single credit card, all the ones that I have, and then the ones that I've been researching and people love. I'm going to really dissect these cards in depth. We're going to be doing credit union reviews because right now during these economic times, credit unions are the best play to get high limit credit funding. We're going to talk about the fintechs. We're going to talk about strategies and credit card hacks. We're going to be doing everything we can. I'm trying to put 2 to 3 videos out a day for you so that way you get a lot of content, so that way a lot of conversations are happening and you can learn at a quicker rate. I tell people all the time, banks hate me and gurus hate me because I tell you what they want you to pay for and what they don't want you to know. It's what you don't know that could be costing you, and what you don't know that you're not applying that could be costing you. So I'm going to definitely be getting into a lot of these kind of conversations and topics. So make sure that you like this video so other people can see it. Drop a comment, help this video spread, because when you make a comment, then it shows engagement to the video, and then YouTube will keep spreading it out in suggested searches. So the best thing that you can do to help me, if this helped you in any way, if you're getting any value from my videos, is just click that like button. And then if you want to drop a comment, go the extra mile. I don't care if it's great video. I don't care if it's I love this card. I don't care if it's actual questions or whatever. It helps the YouTube algorithm. So make sure you do that for me, and I will catch you guys on the next video. We're going to be doing 2 to 3 videos a day. Take care. Peace.